Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the voice in Discord. To start, enter Clownfish Voice Changer in the search. Open the first option you see. After that, go to the Downloads tab. You are going to download the desired version for your system. When it has downloaded, click on the file, click Yes to open it. In the wizard, you will configure the necessary parameters such as shortcuts, installation path, and more. When you click on Install, you can see that during the process, some console windows open. Wait for this process to finish. You can close the wizard. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. You can open the new application from start. After this, in the taskbar, right-click on the utility icon and then click on Setup and then select System Integration. You will see a small window here. Click Remove on the microphone section. Select Yes and click Close. Now open Discord. Click on User Settings. You're going to go to the Voice and Video section, and in the Input Device section, choose the microphone. Again, right-click on the icon in the shortcut, and this time click on Set Voice Changer. Now you will be free to select the type of voice you want by clicking on one of the options. You can close the windows. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.